Hello class, my name is Thomas Bastian and this is my video presentation on why I chose wildlife management. Growing up, I was always in nature. I loved animals. I loved to hunt and fish. That's kind of what got me started in the outdoors with different family members and things like that, and it's continued to this day. Me and my family now love to hunt and fish together and camp and hike and pretty much anything outdoors and with wildlife, which brought me to my current degree path in schooling. I have my undergraduate environmental science, and now I'm pursuing my master's in environmental policy and management with a concentration in fish and wildlife. And I'm also trying to obtain my graduate certificate in natural resource management. So one of the biggest sources of inspiration was, in fact, the Sand County Almanac by Aldo Leopold. I remember reading that book during my undergrad career, and I was already outside so long, and I kind of connected a lot with what he said and a lot of his principles, including the land ethic. And that continues to this day of why I'm taking wildlife management and wanting to learn more, wanting to learn the how-to and management strategies. I've been blessed enough to, during my military service, been around the country from Alaska to Florida, seen a lot of different places, seen a lot of different wildlife, and it just fascinates me, and I just want to learn more about it, how it's done, how do we manage wildlife, and things of that nature. And here's a quick clip of me and my bird dogs on some wild quail down here in Florida on really good managed land. The bobwhite quail has been struggling a little bit down here, but they're still birds, and this is just one of my passions, and I just wanted to share it. So to conclude, of why wildlife management, for me, it's just the passion for the outdoors and wildlife, the connection with the Sand County Almanac when I first read it, and to learn more about the how of wildlife management so I can pursue a career. Thank you.